Okay, previous video, you saw me make a really robust nail game chest. Okay, so what I want to do right now is I'm going to be doing some wood burning, burn some stuff into it. So I thought I'd throw this up here really quick. You can watch how that happens. It's kind of a very quick operation. So keep watching and you can see how this works. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to get this secured down to the wood. All I'm going to use is this 3M General Purpose 45 adhesive spray. Hit it real quick. Doesn't take a heck of a lot to do that. Make sure it's centered. Because once you get it down, it's not going anywhere. Perfect. So next thing I got is this really basically a soldering iron with the interchangeable tips. So I got to change these tips out. I'll pick one that'll work for me. I've used this quite often, except that one thing I need is a tip I want. Okay. Basically all I'm doing is using this soldering iron wood burning kit. Pretty cheap. I changed it out to a chisel point. Of course you can see it's not hot yet. I'm going to let this warm up for a little bit, and when it's warmed up we'll come back. Okay, it only took a few minutes to warm this chisel point up. It's one of the reasons I really like this. And then all it is a matter of following the wood, or following the lines I mean. Okay, now we got to do a little cooling and change over to my next tip. Well, I have not wood burned in a long time, and I think it turned out pretty good. The guy getting this is going to really appreciate it. It's going to be something that's going to stick around a long time for Wood Badge. So guess what? There'd be somebody's name on this. So, hey, hope you got something out of this. If you did, do me a favor and hit like and subscribe. Check out in the bottom, hit more, and you'll find some links to some of the tools I use. You might find those interesting. Go ahead and explore that. And hey, folks, until next time, good making.